How many hours have you wasted clicking through menus in Excel? What if I told you some shortcuts that makes your work easy? Stop using calculator for the sum in Excel. Select the row or column, and then press Alt+ button. Then drag the cursor to the edge and drag it downward. If you want to select the entire row, just click on any cell of the row and press Shift plus spacebar. Same for the column. Select cell and press Ctrl plus spacebar. If you want to remove or delete any data, just select the area, row, or column which you want to delete. Then press Delete button. For applying the border into your table, select the table and go to the border option inside the font group. There are many options like bottom border only. Basically, the all border option is used in the table. For filling the column in series, write one and then move the cursor to the edge of the cell and drag it downward and make it fill in the series. The column is filled automatically in series. So these are some basic shortcuts of Excel. With the help of these shortcuts, you can make your work easy and fast. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos.